Hank continued on towards the great ocean dock. Hiccup! Suddenly something big and noisy and scary floated out right in front of him, spraying water, and it was Phoduck. He was spraying his fire hose and blowing his emergency whistle. "Did it work?" asked Phoduck. "Did I scare away your hiccups?" "Hiccup," said Hank. "But thanks, Hiccup, for trying." "Well, I better get back to work," called Phoduck. "I certainly hope your hiccups go away soon. We really need your help today." "I've tried everything to get rid of these hiccups," Hank thought, "and nothing works. Hiccup. I guess I'll have them for the rest of my life. Hiccup." Hank floated sadly home to the great ocean dock. Hiccup. As he tried to turn to his place, he hicked a great hiccup that splashed Donald Duck. "Oh, sorry, Donald," Hank said. "Uh-huh," said Donald. The dispatcher turned toward Hank. "Hank," he said, "the fishing boat has dropped his drift net in the harbor." He has?" hiccuped Hank. "Yes," continued the dispatcher. "Theodore and Emily are bringing in a big ship, but the net is blocking the way." "It is?" hiccuped Hank. "The net must be moved," said the dispatcher. "Please take Bobby Barge at once." "Yes, sir." No, sir," Hank stammered. I got the hiccups." "Hank, you're the only tug who is not working today," said the dispatcher. "You must move the net, or the ship will be caught in it." But Hank hiccuped. He wanted to help. He really did. But he had such bad hiccups. "I know you can do it," the dispatcher said. "You must." "It's up to me to save the ship. I must save the ship," Hank thought as he turned in a tight circle.